knock it off.
What?
I'm gonna break your fucking fingers. You don't knock that shit off. Jimmy, it's your mom. Listen, if you get this, can you give me a ring? Please, son.
Daddy's been a bad boy. Please, son. You want a sniff?
Fuck is wrong with you? Trevor, man, shit! We ready for this?
I could use a restroom break.
Face the music. Y'all ready? Let's go! Fuckers! Yeah, screw you! Where you at, kid? Listen to the shoot! Here, boy, they tough! T, man, they're fighting the tank! Move it! Like right now! What the fuck?
If you expecting them two to bring you up?
That's just fucking nuts! Kid, you still alive? This kid's Harry over here! I'm starting to feel under trust, dude. There's even more of these bastards! Get on! Now!
Damn, man, fuck this crazy ass shit.
I had a wonderful time, Trevor. But we both know I made a vow to my husband.
I know.
You have a great pain inside you, but you are a beautiful man.
I've never been so happy.
Fuck you.
You want me to get my dick out again?
Oh, shit! Hey, what's up, my nigga? Good to see you, dawg. You really don't give a shit, but you were just made this way? But you off to get cast in a movie role more suitable to your talents?
You know, I've been thinking about you, Trevor. Your lifestyle. There's the tattoo, where you live, the hair, the weird music, absence of taste, the funny toy, the way you dress, the niche drugs,
No way. I don't agree with what you're saying. You're talking bullshit. You're trying to wind me up. Fuck you! Fuck you, Maikıl!
You're a hipster. Aren't you, Trevor?
I abhor hipsters. I really fucking do.
Classic hipster denial.
Say it again.
Hipster.
You are not very fucking nice. Ah!
I always thought I was a good guy. I got a bit of an awkward situation.
That'll be $5.
Sorry, lost my wallet.
But I already cut your hair.
Well, guess there's nothing you can do about it now. That son of a bitch. Long live nigga. All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ. The car is on fire, blast! We burning, fool! Get out, it's gonna blow! Come on, homie, move! You just killed him! Oh my God! CJ!